In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an official email ID to your Gmail account. Whether you're setting up a work account for seamless communication or managing multiple accounts more efficiently, linking another email address to Gmail can greatly streamline your processes. By the end of this video, you'll have an additional email added to your Gmail for easy access and management. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. Head over to the browser of your choice and open Gmail. If you're prompted to sign in, simply enter your details and move forward. Once you're in, your focus will be on the upper right corner of your screen. That's where you'll find the settings gear icon, a little symbol that packs a punch in terms of functionality. If there are any unread emails or other notifications, you might have to navigate past them to see this icon clearly. Click on it and you'll open up a quick menu under the Initial Settings tab. It offers you access to the most frequently needed tools at your fingertips. But for today, we're going beyond the basics. Your next step is to proceed by selecting See All Settings. This option will expand an array of detailed settings options across the entire screen, giving you control over different aspects of your Gmail account. It can seem a little overwhelming at first glance, but it's also fascinating to see just how customizable your Gmail experience can be. Now look near the top for a series of tabs: Inbox, Filters, Forwarding, and so on. Navigate toward the Accounts and Import tab. You'll click here to gain access to all of your account linkages and configurations. Within the Accounts and Import section, you'll see several options regarding linked accounts and settings. Here, make your way down to the section labeled Check Email from Other Accounts. This is your gateway to adding an additional email address to your Gmail repertoire. From this section, you'll find the option to add an email account. Go ahead and click on that link. It tells Gmail that you want to establish a new connection with another email. A new window will pop up prompting you for the email address you intend to add. Carefully type in the email address you want to link. It's a simple action, yet it's crucial to ensure accuracy in your input. Typos can lead to confusion or connection issues, so double check before you proceed. Once you're confident that you've correctly entered the email address, locate and click the Next button to continue. The process up to this point has been pretty straightforward, right? That's because Google's interface is designed to make integrating your services quick and intuitive. Now, depending on the type of email service you're trying to integrate, a few more settings might need to be configured, but rest assured Gmail will guide you through them efficiently. Check for prompts related to server settings or additional authentication, and follow those instructions as necessary. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've added a new email account to your Gmail. From now on, you'll be able to manage emails from this account directly through Gmail, whether they're personal or work related. Everything available in one convenient location. All your emails will appear in your inbox, and you can label or filter them as needed to keep everything organized. Check your settings and test the connection by sending a test email to this newly added account, ensuring that everything is operating smoothly. This integration not only assists in centralizing your communications, but also enhances efficiency, as you won't have to switch back and forth between different platforms to stay on top of your messages. That wraps up our guide on linking another email account to Gmail. Thanks for following along, and enjoy the streamlined communication that comes with this setup. Remember, for more tips and tutorials on maximizing productivity in the digital space, stay tuned.